Hi everyone, this is Jarjar and once again welcome to my channel. I bought a 4 kg salmon this afternoon and so I'll be making salmon soup today with these simple ingredients. The salmon has been marinated with oyster sauce, sesame oil, Hua Diao Chinese wine and pepper. So waiting for the water to boil and soon I will be able to start preparing the soup. The water is now boiling. I shall be adding first the tomatoes and the salted vegetables. I'm going to cover up the pot, let the soup come to a boil and then let it boil for another 5 minutes or so. It's now time to add the salmon fish. Oh, lots of salmon fish today. The fish will cook quite easily, so I'll just bring the soup to a boil and then the soup should be ready. The soup is now boiling. I'm going to add some pepper and then add some coriander and the soup should be ready. And there you go, the simple salmon soup with tomatoes and salted vegetables. And tonight we're eating it with rice topped with Korean seaweed. And we're going to have a little dip here consisting of miso, chili and white vinegar. It looks very yummy and it's time to eat. Thank you once again for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe and I shall see you again soon in the next video. Bye!